The Wireless Egg Node, by ORKA Food Technology. Data Logging Mode. The Wireless Egg Node has two modes of operation. Real-time sampling and data logging. Data logging enables you to capture and record data into the internal memory of the node rather than sending it to the tablet in real time. To launch the data log sampling, click Start Datalog Sampling, select the egg and press Run. From that point, you will see the elapsed time, which shows you that the egg is running and collecting data. You can now take the egg and place it anywhere you like, away from the tablet, for as long as you need. Once you have finished recording, you can bring the egg back closer to the tablet. You will see that it is still running. Click Stop Sampling to end the data logging. At that point, you can download the data from the egg to the tablet and analyze the data. Just click the download button, and all the data from the egg will be transferred to the tablet. Once the download is complete, the tablet will tell you that the download is complete. You do not need Wi-Fi or an internet connection to download your data. Press Exit to finish. For more details about the data logging mode, please refer to page 34 of our user manual.